Om Shri Sai Ram. The mighty hands of God. There lived a sophisticated gentleman by the name Chandrasekhar. He brought a new house from a long job assessment in Kuwait. He was overwhelmed at finally possessing a new house. He cared like his baby, taking special care to ensure it is as spotless and sparkly. One day, he was taking a stroll in his garden when he noticed that huge leaves of coconut tree overlapping on an electric wire right in front of the house. The wire was very high, connecting two electric poles. Keen to bring back over orderless in his garden, he thought of calling someone to push the leaves off the wire, but unable to find anyone, he decided to do that work by himself. He brought a tall ladder, fixed it up against the pole, and slowly climbed up, chanting Sai Sai. As he gradually reached up the ladder, he tried to push the coconut leaves down with the help of a stick. He was at great height and was extending all possible ways to show off the huge size of the wire. Help me, Baba, he was praying. He attempted it again and with all its might. In doing so, he pushed his body backward to draw more force, lost his balance, and before he knew, he was falling backward from the ladder towards the ground. He fell, he was falling. I forgot to mention that Chandrasekhar ji was 70 years old. This was his end, he was first thought when he was falling. In those few moments of falling down, several thoughts passed in a flash across his mind. Will I survive this accident? And if I so, would my bone would be able to cope up with the injuries? What will happen to my wife? Who will look after her in this old age? As these thoughts clouded his mind with fear, he evoked his sigh for help. Baba, he called aloud, and lol, just one call of faith, and what was that he suddenly left on his back? He could clearly sense two strong hands under him. The hands quickly and suddenly stretched him from his horizontal falling posture to a vertical position, and within moment, his feet touched the ground. And what was this? He was standing right, unhurt and free from even the slightest scratch, forgot the broken bones. As he regained his breath, he consciously and gratefully uttered Sainath and immediately turned around to see who had been sent by his Sai to save him. His searching eyes looked around with tearful gratitude. But who should have thanked? What was this? Magic, miracle, or a dream? Who should he thank? Because Chandrasekhar ji was only standing in his beautiful garden. He was initially in a state of grave shock, which slowly transformed into a happy surprise. For this was one around him who he could have possibly presence. Those powerful hands that he has taken his weight and slowly lowered him onto the ground were the hands of Sri Sai Baba. Call me once, only once with love. I will across a million oceans to save you. Sai Baba. Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj. Om Shri Sai Ram.